Reporting from Iwaki City, Hisahama Town, Fukushima Prefecture, reporting from 30 meters inward. Tsunami warning has been issued for this area, even though we cannot see any major changes, visible changes. However, sirens are still running, encouraging people to evacuate. At this location, approximately 100 people have evacuated. And at 6:49, a tsunami of 60 centimeters have been registered in Onahama Port. At 10:34, Onahama Port will have a full tide, so never get closer to the coastline. At local schools and as well, the tsunami of up to 1 meter can arrive in those areas.
Of Fukushima and Miyagi prefectures are in effect. The agency says there's a possibility a wave could reach as high as 3 meters. You're now looking at video of Sendai in Miyagi prefecture during the quake. As you can see, our cameras are moving quite violently there. Video of Sendai, Miyagi prefecture during the quake. Japan's prime minister has given a statement from Argentina.
I have ordered government officials to provide the public with up-to-date and accurate information concerning tsunami evacuation.
Now, the meteorological agency also issued a tsunami advisory for prefectures in northeastern and eastern Japan. Anyone in those areas should listen to local authorities and disaster management officials for information and instructions. JMA is calling on people in the area where the tsunami warning is issued to leave coastal areas or riversides immediately. The agency is telling them to evacuate to a safer place, such as higher ground or an evacuation building. Remember, tsunami will hit repeatedly. Do not leave evacuation areas until the warning is cleared. We're now looking at live video of Ishinomaki in Miyagi Prefecture. Live video of Ishinomaki, Miyagi Prefecture. We can see cars on the bridge. However, a tsunami warning has been issued for Miyagi Prefecture. Do evacuate to higher ground and listen to your local authorities. An official with the meteorological agency is calling on people in the affected areas to stay on the alert for another possible quake.
There's possibility that
in 14 municipalities and Takahagi in Ibaraki and Otawara in Tochigi have had strong earthquakes as well. The focus of the earthquake was off the coast of Fukushima.